Dobro Jutro, Divine Pisces 222. It is Tuesday, June 30th, 2020. I'm going to do a daily message from Spirit for you guys today. Sorry, you'll have to excuse me. I have a headache, a really bad one today, guys. I think I'm going through another ascension. Just woke up with it. It was very, very painful. So I'm going to try to get through this best I can. Let's see. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Yeah. Okay, so this is interesting. I feel like a lot of us right now are basically manifesting our way through some really hard times, but a lot of us are manifesting our faith again. Like, I kind of stated this yesterday in a couple of readings ago as well. Like, a lot of us had kind of lost our faith. Like, we were just confused. We didn't know what Source wanted from us, so we just stopped. It was like we just were like, you know, not trusting the process, literally, because we didn't understand some of the things that we were seeing or some of the things that were happening around us or where our path was taking us. So it's almost like right now we're almost in the energy of manifesting our faith back, which is actually really interesting. And while we're doing that, you know, that's actually what's bringing in this creative spark. Like, a lot of us kind of getting back into our mission. Some of us maybe took a break from mission. Some of us didn't know what our mission was yet, and that's what's coming in now. Maybe some of you had, you know, maybe hit a lull or hit a ceiling or hit some sort of obstacle in your journey or your path, and now it's like you're kind of getting back to, oh, yeah, okay, I'm motivated now. I know what I need to do. Source is showing me the way. So it's all tying in together here. And I mean, that's what happens when you change your energy, right? When you change your perspective, when you change, you know, the way that you see things, it helps you to have faith because you're like, you see it differently. You're like, okay, yeah, this is a learning opportunity. This is something that needed to happen in order for me to grow, right? And, you know, for my soul growth. And that's what's bringing me closer to achieving what I need to achieve in this lifetime, right? So yeah, I mean, this is interesting too, because I feel like a lot of us are kind of getting back to where we know the difference between controlling our emotions and suppressing them. Like, no, we're no longer kind of putting on this strong face, you know. We are strong, and we realize that our strength comes from inside, okay? That our strength comes from ourselves, but it also, you know, comes from Source. And that Source, in essence, you know, we are created from Source, so therefore, you know, we can create our own reality. And a lot of us right now are basically doing that. We're saying, you know what? No matter what's going on, I'm going to trust the process. I am going to control myself, and I'm going to just go with the flow, right? Some of us also, you know, trying to release some karma right now. Some of us kind of stuck in this limbo, so to speak. We're not sure what's real or what's illusion and what is truth, right? And some of us, that is actually preventing us from walking away from a situation where there is some illusion that we're still dealing with. Okay, so strength coming in, very strong here, okay, while we go through, the releasing of some serious karma, okay, but, you know, once once you actually get into the surrender stage, like, okay, what will be, it's going to be a lot easier to walk away from the situation that is keeping you from fully stepping into your role or from fully moving forward in your path, okay? But yeah, I mean, still a lot of illusion that's needing to be shattered here, but some of us also holding off on our healing. So this is what I was talking about. I think a lot of us got really confused, we were really frustrated, you know, so we literally just stopped. We were resisting our healing, we're resisting this, resisting that, you know, so now we're kind of coming back into an energy of, okay, all right, I know where I need to go now. Thank you, Source, for everything you showed me. Thank you, Source, for helping me through this. You know I was confused. Some of you are gaining clarity now, too, and that's helping a lot. And once you kind of get to that surrender stage, once you say, you know what, it's okay that I don't understand everything, I'm just trusting the journey, that's usually when the clarity comes, okay? So yeah, some of you still here, you know, have something you need to do. Okay, there's still a move that you need to make, and some of you have been holding yourself back from doing that, which has been preventing you from moving forward. Okay, and I feel a lot of you have some confidence coming back in, so that's really good. Okay, so embrace that confidence, use it. All right, there's a difference between ego and confidence. Don't mistake the two. Okay, but I mean, you have to know. You have to know. Source is on your side. And when source is on your side, you can't lose. Okay? All right, guys. Well, I hope this helped. If it has, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.